Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to cancel your subscription on YouTube TV. Alright, let's begin. First, head over to tv.youtube.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account. Once you're signed in, click on the circle icon in the upper right corner to access your account information. This will open a menu. Next, select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, make sure you are on the Membership tab. Here, you will see your membership details. Click on Manage next to your membership. If you want to pause your membership instead of canceling, you can choose how many weeks you would like to pause before it starts charging you again. However, if you prefer to cancel your subscription, click on the option that says Cancel. This quick tutorial should help you easily access the options for pausing or canceling your YouTube TV subscription. So that's basically how you can cancel your subscription on YouTube TV. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.